Do you often suffer from persistent cough, congestion, or sore throat? Are you experiencing difficulty breathing, throat irritation, or frequent respiratory infections? Coughs and respiratory issues can be caused by various factors like infections, inflammation, and allergies. If left untreated, these symptoms can lead to chronic respiratory issues or prolonged discomfort. Discover a natural solution to soothe your cough and support your respiratory health.
Introducing AyushVibha.
Cough infection.
It contains vitamin like
Vitamin C, D. Vitamin C enhances immune function, acts as an antioxidant, and may help reduce the duration and severity of colds. Vitamin D enhances overall immune health, may reduce the risk of respiratory infections, and supports the function of immune cells.
It contains minerals like
Minerals, zinc, magnesium. Zinc boosts immune function, accelerates wound healing, and helps the body fight off infections. Magnesium supports proper respiratory function, helps relax the muscles of the respiratory tract, and contributes to overall immune health.
contains herbal ingredients like
Herbal ingredients: Echinacea, Elderberry Extract, Ginger Extract, Licorice Root, Thyme Extract, Mullein Leaf Extract.
These all herbal ingredients has its own blood purification and health benefits.
Cough infection product is applicable for individuals suffering from a long-term cough, potentially due to conditions like chronic bronchitis or asthma, individuals affected by allergies that cause coughing and congestion, patients experiencing coughs associated with sinus infections or congestion, those looking for herbal or natural solutions to alleviate cough symptoms and support respiratory health, people with mild respiratory infections who are looking for supportive care to ease symptoms.